Okay, so hello everybody, so welcome to another video of the legendary experiments. So today I am here after a lot of days, so please don't spam the comment section and writing that why are you so delayed, why are not videos coming for almost 3 months. So I am also sorry, but I can't do anything and I am really sorry to you, because since that gaming video that I uploaded in my video, that was a gaming collaboration video, everybody saw it. But after that, when my classes started and all my tuitions and exams started, so I didn't get enough time. Okay, so I didn't get enough time to make a video, and making a video takes almost 1 or 2 days, and for me it is impossible to take out. So finally, after 3 months on this day, I thought to make a video, and I was determined to make a video. And now I will try to be regular, but don't means but I can't guarantee you that it will be regular, but it may come also 1 month after a video, because after 2 months is my half yearly exam and a lot of studies. So that is why I didn't get any time to make a video only. So I am really sorry to you after almost 3 months, and in the middle there were no videos coming. So I was also very depressed that what will my channel go and what will I do with my channel if I don't give any videos. So I also got very excited that in the lockdown period, or in this whole period of 90 days, lot of people told me that what happened to your channel, why is no video coming. So I also told them that video will come soon, and that gave me very happiness that almost my effort on the videos of almost over 50 videos are successful, and you people give me love and to our channel. So I am really thank you, and I also thank to the people that support me, keep on supporting me. And also I told that I will do a Q&A video, but I am really sorry I didn't get any time to take the questions and make the video. So I think I will make a Q&A video very soon. I will announce the date. I will tell you in everybody in the Instagram and Telegram. So I will tell you there. So till then, check there on the Q&A. So now today we will do 4 cool experiments that you have not seen. They are new totally experiments. Also a problem was occurring me that I am taking a little bit much time in the intro, but please stay with me, don't go anywhere. So I am telling you that I thought to do some chemical experiments on that chemical within the experiments, but sadly this lockdown and all this transport became shut down, so my father and I didn't visit to the place where they give chemicals. And also I thought of buying some more things so I could show you more interesting experiments, but sadly the transport is still shut down, so I had to do some homemade experiments, but they are totally new, no repetition of experiments, so totally new experiments. So without wasting our time, let's get started. These experiments are very simple, so since every people are at home, so I will do experiments which you can do at home easily, and all the materials that you can do at home without getting out. So I will do very simple experiments and you can try them at home, homemade experiments, no difficulty one. Okay, so for the first experiment we have taken here, this is Hershey's cocoa powder, or any cocoa powder you can take it. So here is cocoa powder. First let's mix it properly and then take a spoonful of it, and we need to very much balance it or else it doesn't fall off from the brim of our spoon. Okay, so I am it, and now let's see the magic trick. Okay, so check this magic trick. I am slowly dipping it into the water. Check this, it's wet, but wow, oh no, it's not wet. Why? See this, I dipped this cocoa powder whole into the water, but it is not wet. Some of it is wet, but it is not wet. It is completely dry. If you want to check it, I will show it to you. Okay, so check this. This cocoa powder, I dropped it into the water, but it is still powdery. Oh wow, interesting experiment. So let's do it again. Okay, so let's do it again. I am slowly dropping it. And now see this. Wow, you can see this. The result is here, I think. And you can see this. I dropped it into the water and it suddenly repelled it. I am dipping it again. Oh no. Let's see it again. See this now. It's looking like it's totally wet. But see this. After touching it, it magically becomes again dry. Wow. Cool experiment. See this. Water level should be very less. Also you can see this. I am dipping it every time, but it is not getting wet. The cocoa powder is not getting wet since. So again it is looking wet, but See this? It's not wet. It's totally dry. You want to check it? Because if you want to check that if it is wet or not, then check it. I have dropped the cocoa powder from this spoon only, and here is the result. It's a little bit shocking, no? It's right, no? I dipped the whole cocoa powder into water, but it's repelled the water. But how is it possible? Now let's do it once more with the protein shake powder also. Because I think a lot of people also didn't believe this experiment, so I'm doing it once more for them also. So check this. It's wet, but it repelled automatically. Dipped it, repelled. Dipped it, repelled automatically. And I again dipped it. See? Interesting. Fantastic. Try this experiment at home also. Dipped it. See? Repelled. Okay, so now let's do it with protein shake powder. Suddenly I thought while doing this experiment that let's do it with normal protein shake powder that we used to drink with milk every day. We used to combine and mix it with the milk, and it gives us energy also while mixing it with the milk. Now let's try it with this thing also. So here I have got the protein shake powder. You can see it. This is the protein shake powder. So now let's mix it, or let's try to repeat that old cocoa powder thing with this protein shake powder, and let's see that if this protein shake powder can repel the water or not. Okay, so after doing this I will tell you the science behind this trick. It's really interesting. So let's do it. Let's see whether it can repel water or not. Okay, so I've taken a bit of, or 1 spoonful of the protein shake powder, and let's dip it. Whoa, there, I can see something changes, but it's still wet. No, it's dry. Yes, it's dry. Oh, sorry, it's dry. But it caught water. But still it's dry. Let's do it once more. Oh, so here I have taken it again. Now let's dip it. Yes. It's dry. Wow. Dipping it into the water and it's still dry. See, it's still dry. So it worked with the protein powder also. Okay, so now I will tell you the science behind this trick. Behind that trick was that usually we know that cocoa powder and all the protein powders have a rich source of protein, and almost the one thing is rich amount of fat. So the fat in the cocoa powder is very much, since it is used in cakes and all other decorative things making. So we use the cocoa powder to make cakes, and it contains a high amount of fats. So the fat, fat is generally fats are very hydrophobic in nature. The fats are hydrophobic in nature, and it repels all the water around it. And since the fat is very light, so it repels the water, and so in the cocoa powder it is very much amount of fats, so it repels the water quickly. But in the protein powder, the fats amount is very less, so the repelling of water was very less. And so I think this is the reason, as in the protein powder you saw that very little much of bit of water repelled, but in this cocoa powder, in this cocoa powder you can see that it has lot of amount of fats. So this was the reason that cocoa powder repelled the water very quickly, but the protein powder repelled the water slowly but incompletely. This was the main science behind this trick. So now let's get forward to our next experiment. Also to tell you one thing about the previous experiment, that this cocoa powder and the protein shake also repels with milk. I don't have milk, so I couldn't show you this time. But if you tell me in the comment section that if I will do this experiment with milk or not, you can try it at home with milk also. Also it repels milk also. And always you see that while mixing the protein shake with the milk, some particles are floating on the dry particles are floating on the surface of the milk, and that is the reason of fats in the protein shake, but it is a less amount. So now let's get, so you can see this for the next experiment. Here is a glass filled with half water, and see this magic trick. It catches fire, and now the real magic begins. See this. Okay, so this glass is burning. You can see this. It's burning. Whoa, it's totally a magic trick. So let it burn. Let's see what thing happens. it's a bit time taking. Okay, so you saw this amazing trick. Okay, so you saw this amazing trick, and now check this. You can see the plastic glass burnt exactly at the position or the level of the water it was in. It didn't go beyond the level of the water. So this is a cool trick, and this is slightly based on science, and you know that water doesn't support combustion, and so the plastic supports combustion. It burns quickly. Plastic is a good conductor. No, sorry. Because the plastic burns very quickly, you know this, and the plastic, when it burns very highly, but when it comes near the water, the plastic near the water, or the water stops it from burning, the plastic also stops burning, and you can see half of this glass is burnt. See the edges only, and it's a cool, nice trick experiment. You can show it to your friends. So I will do this experiment in this video in a big level. So now I will do this experiment in a big level. So now you see this, and you have to see it full. So here I have arranged it in a big level. So you can see this. This is violet, indigo, blue, and I know that indigo and blue will look similar in camera, but in my vision it is indigo only. This is green, this is yellow, orange and red, and I did in a pattern of Vibgyor, or the 7 colors of rainbow. So now, without wasting our time, let's do this cool thing. So I am starting it. Okay, so fire has got. Okay, so I have to do it fast. Okay, so you can see this. Whoa, it's so amazing. See this, all are burning. I can't go more nearer, or else. Okay, so now see this part. Okay, so I don't know how you have seen it, but in my view it was amazing. It was totally amazing experiment, and I did it in a big level. So now wait. So now see, you can see this. All of it has got extinguished from the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So now let's see the results. Okay, so check it. I told you the science before, but check this. It has burned up to the level of water. It is also nice. This experiment is a little bit satisfying also. It is the yellow one. It may look green, but it is yellow. It is the green one. It also burnt to the brim. This is the blue, indigo and violet. And these are the results. You can see some bits of parts of plastic are there, but this experiment actually went as I thought. It did a little bit of damage to the chair, but I will recover it. You can see this. It's a nice experiment. You can show it to your friends, relatives, but do it in a very nice way and proper way, and do it in a safe way. As plastic, when it falls on your hand, it may get burned your area, and it will take a lot of time to recover that burned area. So please take care while doing this experiment. If you are small children, then take care of and tell your parents to help you while doing this experiment. So now let's get forward to our next. For a couple of days or 1 week ago, I was actually very stunned to see something amazing thing about the scissors, as I didn't notice it before only. I accidentally discovered it. Okay, so here are some pins. Generally, you know that a magnet and a thing becomes electromagnetic when it is touched to an electric current, or it completes a. Generally, you know a magnet is permanent magnet, or if you pass electric into a very strong iron or any ionic particles, magnetic particle, then it will become a permanent magnet, or it will become electromagnet if you pass electricity through it. Is strong electricity, and also you know that you can make an electromagnet at home, but it requires an electric passage only. But suddenly I discovered something great. Usually a knife is non-magnetic particle, but see this. Whoa, you can see this. Can you see this? This scissor is attracted, is getting attracted to this non-magnetic scissors. These pins are getting attracted to the non-magnetic scissors, and I am totally stunned. And also I tried it with some large ionic particles, and it gave a little bit of pull to that ionic particle. Okay, so you can see here I have attached no glue. I have nothing did a trick or magic trick. Many of you are thinking that I am doing this for fun, but it is totally wrong. You can see here I am reviewing the pins that there is no glue, almost no glue is here. So you can see, except for some white things, these are very minute things used in our crafts. So but nothing more spectacular or anything abnormal is in these scissors. But when I am touching the iron nails to this scissors, it is getting attracted. See this, and also it is pulling. See, it's totally amazing. You can see this. I am mixing it up and see the magic trick. Write in the comment section below that what is the reason for this scissor to be magnetic, as I have attached no magnet to this scissor. You can see the whole scissor, no magnet is there, no trick, totally real thing. But it is amazing thing. I don't know how it is going. If you know the science behind this trick, then please comment it below. If you are genius, please comment it below. I also want to know that what is the science behind this trick, as I discovered it suddenly and don't know how is this even possible. Okay, so here I have a knife, and it is bit attracting. It doesn't attract large ionic particles, but it attracts small ionic particles like the pins. Okay, so comment it below the reason behind the magic trick and how is it possible. Please comment it below. So this is the experiment. I wanted to show you that how touching iron nails with the scissors turn this iron nail also a magnetic. See this? Wait, I touched it, and see this. You can see this. The iron nail at the above is also magnetic, and it is attracting the below, making this below iron nail also magnetic. So this is a tricky thing. Comment it below. So this was the last experiment. Doing a video after almost 3 months. I have made some mistakes in the experiments, little bit mistakes, and also while telling. So please forgive me for all those mistakes, as I have totally forgot all the old things, and I am again regaining all the other things that I learned before. And so forgive me for that, as I am doing it after almost 3 months. It's a long time. So I hope you have liked all the other 3 experiments. The 4th experiment I tried to do, but it was a little bit difficult, but I couldn't do it. But I will do it in the next video for sure. So I hope you have liked all the 3 experiments. I know you will like it. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Today's likes target is only 50. Please complete it, only 50 likes target. Also subscribe to my channel. So check here one video. Here. Check here one video. Also check here. Here it is. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on this logo. So subscribe it. So I will meet you in another video with another topic. So till then, take care. Bye.